The answer is yes. That was the revolution in chemistry, and that was the time where people were suffering and artificially synthesized insulin was given, but it was not being adapted by the body. फिर लोग मर जाते थे उससे. And this was the very first time. Of course, there were many things जैसे कॉर्न बोला, बहुत सारी चीजें से डिस्कवर हुई, but वो लोग खाना स्टार्ट नहीं किए. पर ये मेडिसिन था, और क्योंकि आर्टिफिशियल मेडिसिन कॉस्टली थी, it was not adapted by the body. Hence, this was the first thing that was approved by the administration. Come to the next question for Brahmos team. Ready?
मैम ये देखती है ये
James Watson and Francis Crick are famously credited with discovering
double helical structure of DNA.
okay, so double helical structure of by the way, how many helical structure of DNA you know? Circular. Okay. How many double helical structure DNA you know? When you say circular, then it is different. How many double helical DNA structure you know? Only one. Okay, so today we go and try to figure out how many DNAs are there and what happens to the temperature change. If there is change in the temperature, what happens to the change in the DNA of your body? Next question goes to Vikranti. Ready? We belong to planet. So, which is the Earth's smallest planet? Which is the Earth's smallest planet? We belong to planet.
Langoon.
Langur, okay. Then next,
Monkey bats. Monkey bats.
monkey bats. Okay.
pygmy monkey.
Very good. Clap for that. It's called as pygmy marmoset. You can see इसको finger monkey भी बोलते हैं. If you take this monkey, आपके finger size का रहेगा, इतना छोटा रहता है. Weight will be something as if you are picking some 4-5 chips on your, you're keeping 4-5 chips on your back. Very small, right? So they get the 5 marks. Right? Now the question goes to Tejas team. What is the functional isomer of glucose having molecular formula C6H12O6, also obtained on breakdown of sucrose? Also obtained on breakdown of sucrose.
Pentose sugar. CH2O. CH2O.
No,
Pentose.
not exactly. Next team, please. Yes, you won't get time बेटा पास है ना, तो आपको indication
Fructose.
हाँ?
Fructose.
Fructose. Give a big hand to them. See, I told you it was also obtained on breakdown of sucrose. When हमने पढ़ा ना, sucrose break होके क्या बनता है? Sucrose when it breaks, it gives you one molecule of glucose and one molecule of fructose, right? And इनमें best चीज क्या है? Both are. See the structure? Both are. Do they have same molecular formula? Check. Check it out fast. Count the number of carbon, hydrogen, everything. Do they have same number of carbon, same number of hydrogen, same number of oxygen? Can you locate two functional groups?
है किनको बताना है?
Next.
Mitochondria. Mitochondria.
Okay, next team, Vikrant team,
Chloroplast.
Tejas team,
Nucleus. Nucleus.
nucleus. Okay, audience. Cell membrane. Okay, then. Very good. Clap for him. Class 4. Question क्या आंसर सुना है? कर भी सकते हैं. What organelles? Organelles. Very good. Yes. So this is. But ये क्या पूछा गया है? Originated. So it is said that children, these two, mitochondria and chloroplast, they were यहाँ पे actually video था sir, video कोई भी play नहीं हो रहा है system में. I'll show you all the videos that was because that will tell you how one organism entered the other and that became the part of that organism. What is the reason? Yes, children. What tells us that mitochondria and chloroplast are the two living cells before? They have their own genetic material and ribosomes. Very good. Okay, question goes to Vikrant team.
Biology round complete.
Biology round we have completed. Let's just note down. Listen to the score.
Listen, students, after completion of biology round, the scores: Tejas 50 points, Agni 50 points, Brahmos 45 points, Vikrant 35 points.
Okay. So shall we go to maths round now? Vikrant team. Ready? You don't need to calculate much. Just relax. Yes, this is MCQ. So, simple round. So that is the rhombus you can see. What is the length of the side of the rhombus? Same? Yes.
B70 units.
Very good. They get 10 points. Next question. Tejas. Tejas group ready? Which of the following is principal value of sine inverse?
Ma'am, pi by
Sine
2.
minus
Option A, pi by 2.
Option A.
Pi by 2.
Very good. So they also get 10 points. Next team, Agni, ready? The smallest natural number divisible by 26, 20, 40 and 30 is
Option B 520.
very good. Next question, Brahmos. So if x is to y equals to 3 is to 4, then the value of 4x minus y is to 2x plus 3y is.
Now 4:9.
4 is to 9, correct. Then question goes to, now this is the next.
इसमें MCQ है मैम?
So now we will start from Tejas. Question is for
66.66%.
what?
66.66%.
Correct. They get 10 points. Tejas team. Next question for Agni team. Answer the question. The average age, read carefully. The average age of boys in the class is numerically twice the number of girls in the class. Ratio of boys to girls is close to 1. If the total number of students is 50, what is the sum of the ages of the boys in the class in years?
Option D 400.
both answers are wrong. Audience, please. 800, correct. Now question 2, Brahmosty.
मैम अंजलि मैम को बता दीजिए कि स्टार्ट कब करना है, कंफ्यूजन है।
जब यहाँ आ जाएगा तब स्टार्ट कर देंगे। एक्चुअली टाइमर यहाँ था, कुछ भी ऑपरेट नहीं कर ओके मैम, ब्रह्मोस्टी रेडी? यहाँ पे हाँ यहाँ दिखा रहा है मतलब they can see।
डिस्प्ले के बाद कर दीजिए।
डिस्प्ले के बाद कर
ठीक है, हो गया।
ब्रह्मोस्टी आंसर प्लीज।
C 1/6.
Very good. So the answer is 1/6. That's correct. 10 points. Next team. Vikrant team. A fruit seller has some apples. He sells 40% apples and still has 420 apples. What is the total number?
This is for Vikrant.
He has.
Option is 7.
Option A. 700. They get the point. Yes.
उसने आंसर बता दिया मैम।
पागल है क्या?
एक सेकंड, इन्होंने
बेवकूफ है तुम।
दैट इज देयर लॉस। उसका कोई प्रॉपर आंसर बोले नहीं बोले, दे हेल्पिंग देयर टीम मेंबर्स।
माइनस कर देता हूँ, ठीक है?
So since they have, yeah, we can cut -1, -2,
-2 स्टीम को कीजिए
because उन्होंने इतना जोर से
हाँ, जोर से बोलो।
हाँ
जोर से आंसर बोलो।
-2।
-2
But anyways, वो उनका अपना आंसर था because nobody told what is right.
That's over, no man. That's over.
बताएंगी मैडम।
तो ये राउंड अभी यहाँ पे खत्म हो गया मैथ्स का। हाँ। So we will just see the marks out of all these rounds. After then you will have some rounds of visual and some rounds of
Okay, listen students.
Listen carefully.
The scores after completion of maths round: Tejas 68 points, Agni 60 points, Brahmos 65 points, Vikrant 55 points.
मेरे को नहीं आता, वो मेरा बंद हो।
Okay, so let's start with visual round. You will be seeing some photos. Accordingly, you will be answering the question. So, first slide. This is for Vikrant team.
मैडम इसका कुछ नियम भी है क्या? कैलकुलेट एक ही बार क्यू वगैरह एक क्लिक करो।
Vikrant team. Yes. अरे reverse है.
एंटी क्लॉकवाइज।
Vikrant.
हाँ,
टाइम कितना है इसमें? 13 सेकंड। 1 मिनट।
yes. Vikrant team. Identify the personality and his contribution. You decide who will speak and then you answer.
MS Swaminathan, father of Green Revolution.
Huh?
MS Swaminathan, father of Green Revolution.
Father of?
Green Revolution.
Okay. Yes, next team.
Map pass.
मैम हर को
अच्छा, ऐसा है।
हरगोविंद खुराना.
Okay, next.
Pass.
What you said, can you repeat your answer? अच्छा, audience, you can see.
Subramaniam Chandrasekhar.
Huh?
Subramaniam Chandrasekhar.
Very good. Clap for him. इसमें you can just go through children. So Nobel laureate and pioneer in astrophysics. You can see he has been awarded Nobel Prize in Physics for the theoretical work that he has done. You are studying about, you are curious about black hole, neutron star and all those things. So he is the yes. नहीं, इसमें time लगेगा. क्योंकि उनको concentration में okay. Next slide. This is for BrahMosli. Identify the personality and his contribution.
MS Swaminathan.
क्या बात है सब.
Question is asked for Abhijit.
Pass.
Okay.
Ex-chairman of AES, this Atomic Energy Summit.
चुप रहना सीखो तुम लोग. सारे मार्क्स दबा देना.
Audience, please. I think it's BrahMos.
नहीं वो नहीं कर रहा. उन्हीं से कर. हो गया खत्म.
So audience, please.
ये रिसर्च चल रहा है.
Please go now. You can just stand. Please go through the slide. Again, Nobel Prize for Statistics.
इनके नाम में राधा भी है कृष्णा भी है.
So you can see, read the first line, the remarkable day. That is something which we can remember always. Navneet,
Ma'am, Anandi Roy.
it is
Anandi Roy. She was the first female doctor in India.
okay. Next team.
Annamani, a weather women of India.
Okay. Next team. Okay. Next team, please.
खत्म हो गया मैडम.
So she has done doctorate in botany and she has done cultivated many kind of hybrid crops. Next one for Tejas, very interesting. Identify the personality and her contribution. Yes, please. Tejas.
Pass.
Okay, question to Vikrant.
Mass spectrometer.
Next.
Speak the answers in mind.
Huh?
We are getting
Okay,
ready.
beta. Already you have said. They have
Your
also
answer
said.
already given.
Yes, audience, please.
On करो. Answer. If you
Yes. So here there is a difference. Just write it down.
Scandron.
Yeah, beta.
Scandron.
Okay. High resolution drone. Okay. Pass. Ramos.
Drone.
Drone. Okay. At least you can identify drone. They are
आंसर कर दीजिए मैडम.
guess कर सकते हो. अभी कभी बात लैंडर में पहला स्टार्टअप में होगा. कितना अच्छा ड्रोन बना. So this is drone no doubt, but the name is important, right? So they don't get any points.
name the effect.
Name the effect.
हमारा
Just group name the
lead and
effect.
frost effect.
हाँ?
Lead and frost effect.
What?
Lead and frost. नहीं लाइट है नहीं.
Yes, next.
Light and
Vikrant.
Light and frost.
बाद में ये लोग बोलेंगे मैंने सही आंसर बोला कंसीडर नहीं किया माइक में बोला सुना है?
Diffusion. Okay, I'm afraid. Diffusion. The second. Ramos.
Freezing. Solidification.
Okay. Who is there? That is not the name of the effect, but of course, it is happening. That is. Audience, please. Scattering.
पेम्बा इफेक्ट.
Pemba effect, and this is seen when you go to very cold countries or where the temperature falls below 20 degrees Celsius, minus 20 degrees Celsius when it goes. If you throw a hot water there, immediately the cooling of water and expansion. You know, the hot water you cannot solid or you cannot cool very easily. But in this effect, a special effect where even a hot water can be cooled very fast, faster than the normal temperature. Okay, so next one question is for okay. This is we finished the visual round. Okay, last one. Vikrant, question for Vedasi. Question for Vikranti. Just proceed. Yes, Vikranti. Question for you.
S400 defense system.
Huh?
S400 defense system.
S400 defense system. That's correct. So they get the point. This is now used and the same purpose. It has a multiple missile types. And this is also being used in operations in the field. Okay, so by this we end with the visual round. And next
After completion of visual round, the points: Tejas 68 points, Agni 60 points, Brahmos 70 points, Vikrant 65 points.
वीडियो वाला
So, see, there was one more round, video round. That video, I think, इसके बाद rapid
हु इज विनर?
आपको दिया ना पेपर दिया
now, water of crystallization in hydrated copper sulfate is father of genetics.
Mendel.
Study of fungus.
Mycology.
Mycology, correct. Most sensitive organ of the body.
Pass.
Spell sphygmomanometer.
Sphygmomanometer.
Spell.
SPHY.
Okay.
SPHYGMAMOMETER.
Can you repeat? Repeat.
SPHYGMOMAMOMETER.
Okay, wrong. Sir, correct. First correct था इनका. Third correct था. Fifth correct था. Sixth correct था. Eighth correct था. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50 points. Wrong था.
5 points.
One.
Minus.
2 wrong. Minus 10.
कौन से क्वेश्चन नंबर रॉन्ग हो वो
Question
बताइए.
number 2 wrong. Question number 7 wrong. Sorry. Question number 10. Last. Great. So 3 minus 5, 10, 3 minus. Yes, madam.
आपने स्पिग्मोमैनो बोला मैंने उसी से
Listen, children. When I ask you to spell, and if any instrument name is given, what I told, I know. You cannot work on this. Mic खराब हो जाएगा, आवाज कुछ है, but you know the instrument, ना बेटा? When you know, you should know the correct spelling. It's not something that you don't know, right? And that's why you tenth standard.
गलत काम कर सकती है गलत काम कर सकती
गलत आपका हुआ फादर ऑफ जेनेटिक्स रिगर मेंडल. रिगर
मेंडल ही तो बोला
आपने जॉर्ज बोला. मेंडल इज नॉट करेक्ट. मेंडल कैन बी मेनी. सर आपकी कौन सी है? रामोस. Ramos, ready? So, time starts. Water of crystallization in hydrated ferrous sulfates.
6.
Wrong. Father of modern physics.
Pass.
Study of organism.
Pass.
Protective fluid around fetus.
Pass.
Symbol of antimony.
Pass.
Filtration of blood by artificial means.
Hemodialysis.
Correct. Instrument to measure moisture.
Pass.
Semen is measuring unit of.
Pass.
Molar mass of caustic soda is.
Pass.
Spell vacuum.
VACCUUM.
That's wrong. So, they have given one. Question number 2 correct. Question number 4 correct. Question number 2 correct. Question number 6 correct. Only 2 correct. 2 correct हुआ और wrong इनका 2 wrong. 2 wrong है, 2 correct है. So 10 points they have scored. Okay, now let's go to ability. Ready? Yes. Yes. Ready? Okay. So time starts now. Number of molecules of water of crystallization in cluster of Paris. 2. Wrong. Father of botany.
Pass.
Study of fossil.
Pass.
Chlorophyll contains which metal?
Magnesium and oxygen. Magnesium only metal.
Correct. Symbol of tungsten.
W.
Correct. Turgidity of cell is maintained by
Cell wall.
endoosmosis or exoosmosis.
Endoosmosis.
Correct. Instrument to measure pressure.
Barometer.
Correct. Candela is measuring unit of.
Light intensity. Luminous intensity.
Correct. Molar mass of hydrogen peroxide is.
34. 34 U.
Wrong. Spell efflorescence. But they can spell.
Others do not respond, please. Let the quiz master respond.
इन्होंने आंसर नहीं दिया.
EFF UORESCENCE.
Repeat.
EFF LUORESCENCE.
That's wrong. Okay, so monthly fee. First one is wrong, then pass, then fourth is correct, fifth is correct, sixth is correct, seventh correct, eighth correct. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 correct, and 3 wrong. Okay, time question. I got twice yours. I got thrice and that. Yes. Tejas ready?
मैं पास आ जाइए थोड़ा, पास आ जाइए थोड़ा.
So your time starts now. Number of molecules of water of crystallization in plaster of number of molecules of water of crystallization in gypsum.
2h2. 2.
Wrong. Father of chemistry.
Pass.
Study of soil.
Topography. Topography.
Wrong. Hemoglobin contains which metal?
Iron.
Correct. Symbol of sodium.
Na.
Movement of touch-me-not plant.
Stimulus.
Wrong.
Involuntary.
Instrument to measure wavelength of light.
Pass.
Coulomb is measuring unit of.
Electric charge.
Correct. Molar mass of nitric oxide is.
Pass.
Spell hemostasis.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please.
Hemostasis.
HAEMOSTASIS.
That's wrong. Okay, so they got 1, 2, 3 correct. They have got 3 correct. 1, 2, 4 wrong. 3 correct and 4 wrong. Please do the following. वीडियो राउंड कराने सर ये यस बेटा ओके सो वीडियो स्कोर्स लगाने स्कोर्स अभी मत लगाइएगा वीडियो राउंड पहले कर देते हैं द लास्ट राउंड
कहाँ से?
With the quiz, these are some videos that are shown. They were supposed to be asked questions. We have removed that.
Students,
वो मैं कर दूंगा, आप पहले देखो।
हेलो हेलो, मैं कुछ बोल सकती हूँ क्या? हाँ हाँ, there is a break for 10 minutes when Karuna madam tells you, okay? After 10-minute break, you want to please.
Now sir will announce the results. You might have calculated.
Right. Thank you, Karuna madam. Very well you conducted. Let's clap for her efforts. Conducted as a quiz master. This quiz, congratulations to her. At the same time, congratulations to all the participants. Again, we can keep clapping. INS Vikram, participants, Pramod, Agni, Tejas, Yugara, Pramod, and even all people enjoyed. Teachers enjoyed, even the chairman AES also. He coincidence, but so nice coincidence that he came. He shared his positive feelings and wished you. And so it was a great event, joyful moments. Sincere thanks to Quizmaster, presentator, time vigilante, scorers, our two people behind the camera who are capturing these precious moments. And here I am with the results to announce. I first of all, with 78 points, Group Tejas stands fourth. Claps for them for their efforts. Tejas with 78 points, and just 2 marks margin is there between third and fourth, and third rank goes to Brahmos. Clap for the Brahmos. They are on the third rank. And this is the gap between first and second is of 5 marks, and the first ranker is INS Vikram. With 100 marks, INS Vikram stands first, and Agni with 95 marks stands second. Clap together. Congratulations everyone. Now here we are taking a break, not for 10 minutes but only for 5 minutes, because sir is ready. Astronomy session is going to begin in next 5 minutes. Take a break and join